Hello everyone, if your Dyson vacuum cleaner isn't working quite right, maybe it's cutting out unexpectedly, not holding a charge, or just acting a bit strange, you're in the perfect spot today because we're going to walk through how to reset your Dyson vacuum battery, a simple trick that can often solve many common performance issues without needing a repair or new parts. This process helps to recalibrate the battery's internal system, clearing out any minor errors that might be causing it to misbehave, and it's much easier than you might think. First, let's consider when you might need to perform a battery reset. You should try this if your vacuum suddenly loses power during use, if it's not charging fully even after being plugged in for a long time, if the run time has significantly decreased, or if you see unusual flashing lights on the battery indicator that aren't explained in your manual. Before we dive into the steps, safety is always important, so please make sure your Dyson vacuum is completely turned off and unplugged from its charger before you start this process, and if you've just used it, allow it a few minutes to cool down. Now, for the actual reset process, follow these simple steps carefully. Step 1 involves disconnecting the battery from the main vacuum unit, which usually requires pressing a release button or unscrewing a couple of small screws depending on your specific Dyson model, so it's a good idea to consult your vacuum's manual if you're unsure how to remove the battery safely. Once the battery is removed, for step 2, you need to wait. This is a crucial part, as you should leave the battery disconnected for at least 10 to 20 minutes, allowing any residual charge to fully dissipate and the battery's internal memory to clear itself completely. After the waiting period, for step 3, carefully reconnect the battery to your Dyson vacuum, ensuring it clicks firmly into place or that the screws are securely fastened if your model uses them, making sure there's a good, solid connection. Finally, for step 4, place your Dyson vacuum back on its charger and allow it to charge fully, uninterrupted, until the charging indicator shows that it has reached 100% capacity. This full charge cycle is essential for the battery to recalibrate correctly. Once it's fully charged, try using your vacuum as normal and observe its performance. Often, this reset will resolve the issues, giving you back a fully functioning Dyson. If your vacuum still isn't performing as expected after the reset and a full charge, it might indicate that the battery has reached the end of its lifespan and needs to be replaced. We hope this guide helps bring your Dyson back to life and running smoothly again. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up to help us out, and feel free to leave a comment below with your questions or any other tips you might have for fellow Dyson owners. Sharing this video with friends or family who might be struggling with their own vacuum would be great too, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and DIY fixes. See you next time.